Okay, so here we're looking at a cube. And it says that we're drilling a rectangular hole through the cube. So that means that we have a little hole in the middle. And this is going right through to the end of the cube. So at the end there would be another little hole. So now I want to know if Euler's formula works for this new shape. So remember Euler's formula. F plus V minus E gives us 2. Let's find the new number of faces. So we'd have our regular 6 faces from the cube plus our 4 new faces from the inside of the rectangle there. And that gives us 10 faces in total. The number of vertices, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 from the cube. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more from the hole in the middle. That's 16 in total. And then the number of edges, we will count the total for our cube, and that's going to be 12 plus 12 more from the hole in the middle, the rectangle, and that gives us 24 in total. So now let's see if our Euler's formula works. So we have 10 faces plus 16 vertices minus 24 edges, and that should equal 2. And this part in fact does equal 2, so 2 equals 2, left side equals right side, and therefore Euler's formula does work.